Alright, so I'm going to show you how you can make your own Braun Clean and Renew solution. It's very simple to do. It took me a while how exactly the right way to do it. So basically, this docking station has a sensor for this. Yeah, it has a sensor. It's called an EC sensor. And so what that means is basically it checks the electrical conductivity inside the solution. And so what that means is you just can't take this and dump it in there. It's not going to work because this docking station, the EC sensor, it's going to see that there's no electrical conductivity in the solution. So it's never going to work. This is what I was going through years and never really understood. I was just lazy and I just did a bunch of things that never worked. So I did some research, and to make this thing work every time without wasting alcohol is that you need to add some baking soda, like that much, not more than that, just like that much into this. And what this does is that this baking soda, it adds some electrical conductivity into the alcohol. That's it. And now you can add some lubricant and some essential oil for giving some fragrance. And so that's how it works. So you just add some alcohol, you add some essential oil to your likings. I like this citrus. And you add some lubricant. Make sure it's a good lubricant like this, and add 20 drops of this, add 20 drops of this. You fill it up with this, and you put a little pinch, just a pinch of baking soda. Then you shake it all up, and then you put it inside this docking station, and it's going to work. So here, I'll show it to you. Oh, by the way, make sure you clean this thing. So you add some of this into it, halfway. You shake it, then you dump it. You do it again, shake it, dump it. And just do it 3 or 4 times. And once you get all the hair out, you just follow the steps. And all you need to do is just put it in here. And it's gonna work. See, it works. So that's how you do it. Just clean it with this 3 or 4 times. And now when you make the batch, you just add this. Well, you first add the essential oil, then you add this, then you add the baking soda. Then you just fill it up with this, shake it, plug it in, and it's gonna work. So that's the secret. Just add a little pinch of baking soda, like that much. Don't add anything more. Hope this helps.